Hello everyone, my name is Alton Primus and I'm the tour operator of Sky Valley Tours, Mukumuku Village. And as you can see at the back there, you see the waterfalls. A lot of people like to come here and do some outdoor stuff if you like that. Catch your own fire, do your own roast, and walk with your hammock or tent, and you can spend the day. If you want to get here though, my contact number is +592 686 4789 on WhatsApp. You can get me there anytime, or on 675 1921. You can make direct contact and you can be able to visit. Thank you.